Ooh.
Should I dip on like watch it? You see the thing?
Hold this.
Look, you never is that?
Yes. It's that. Hi guys. Stop looking for me now. I move. So we're at YS today. I'm talking very low because a lot of persons are watching me, but I'm gonna show you guys the falls soon. Hopefully we get some good stuff. Oh, this is pretty. So this is my crew for the day. My boyfriend is at the front. But over here is so pretty though. I didn't expect it to be this pretty. It's a lot of folks. Ow! I'm trying to get some good. What call this now? I'm trying to get a good view. But I'm falling at the falls. It's so beautiful. Hopefully when I go closer I can get better views. But yeah, it's a nice little place. When my sister gets here, then she can, you know, vlog me and show you guys me, because I'm not trusting my boyfriend to do it right now. Yep. The top is crowded as fun. My bicycle thingy here, and the price is really reasonable for this much, you know, entertainment and shit. It's really beautiful. So I guess that's the top fall. Oh, focus here. And this is my view. Better than missing. My phone's supposed to turn forward. Kasing bali na doon. It's me, wanna try? Yeah. Yes, I'm a dealer.
Love my life. Yeah, swear. What is this was beautiful with the guy.
Where's the zip line thing? Ah!
I see nothing.
I'm trying to find the zip line.
See zip line there. We have to find when nobody know the funny.
I don't care. You want to do this video with the man? Nobody else is left. So this is the pool, or the second pool. And I'm actually going to go in the water. It's mostly kids in here. But yeah, it's still nice. Or whatever. That's my crew. Yeah, the pool is really nice. I think I prefer this pool compared to the first one. Hopefully we can get something to eat real soon because I am hungry. Alright, so this is the view now. Basically there's a shower here when you leave the pool. And there are changing rooms, and yeah, it closes at 3, so basically everybody's getting ready to leave. So there's a little bus ride that you have to take in order to come to and leave the falls. So I'm gonna be vlogging that part. I probably won't be talking because it's a bus of people, and I don't really like talking like that. Let me try to show you guys how I look. I still have on like white shirts, but this is my boyfriend's shirt. I'm just waiting on them. We're probably gonna go KFC after. So yeah, that's the view. Alright, so before we go to KFC, we're gonna pre the menu. Ganja smoking is not allowed at YS Falls. There's no food? So the snacks? Really? Wonder it is for $200? Alright, so we're leaving now. I'm vlogging. No. Guys, I'm barefooted. Please don't run away from me. I know. You never really tell me that you kind of push me.
You both gone already.
Our next one soon come. I kind of like this shirt. Maybe I should keep it. In babe, you can keep a shirt?
Yep.
Please?
Just buy them.
So what if I just buy them?
Nope. You can't make a gift from next.
He's not going to give me.
Them one them in front.
Oh, they have a shop. It's a souvenir shop. You going to buy clothes? What?
Thank you, here. Yeah, man. So far. Alright, my boy, cool.
That's what you're going to buy for me?
Thermos this one.
It no matter, as long as it can hold hot and cold.
What price on it?
Ask.
What's the price on this?
2,100.
On this one?
Same.
Okay, I want 2,000.
Mm-hmm. They got nice stuff in here though. You leaving? David, they love souvenir though.
Huh?
They love souvenirs so.
I'm just curious.
Them expensive, so come out.
I can look.
That's me. Oh, I'm so short. Really? I'm short? Oh my god. Alright, so that's the bus thingy. Those are the bus thingies that brings us. And we're about to leave. I'm gonna show you guys outside what it looks like outside. Another craft store. Sorry. And this is outside. This is outside. This is what it looks like.
Okay.
So we're gonna try to get something to eat here before we go KFC or wherever. So I know I said that was the end of the vlog like 3 times, but this is the real end of the vlog.